Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, we're cooking a kai for my most famous cousin, Tanya. She's just been overseas beating all the world records. Fastest at counting giraffes, most balloons blowing up in one day, and she just took out the marble championships in Tokyo. She'll be hungry as. Come on, cuzzies, let's make her a kai. Check this out, cuzzies. I've got some focaccia. I'm gonna slice it up. Hey, but when you're using a real sharp knife, make sure you've got an adult around, okay? Just to supervise, you never know. All right, we're gonna slice it up. Here we go. Slice nice and carefully. Let the knife do the work. Nice, cutting slowly, being careful for your fingers. Tai, rua, tore, wha, rima, ono. Perfect. Now come check out what I've got in the pot. Ooh, I can't wait for this, my cuzzies. Check this out. Kua riri ngā kūtai. Ooh, it's looking good, my cuzzies. Kia tūpato. He tino wera tēnei. Ooh, poor. Oh, it's a bit wing and steamy in here. Ooh, reka. Ooh.
Hey, kia ora, Cuzzy Buzz.
Oh, cousin Tanya.
Wow, this looks amazing, Buzz.
Oh. Make it my cuz.
I've got some juice.
Oh, juice. Oh, my favourite, orange. Hey.
And I bought you a gift. I found your marbles.
Cuz, did you win these in Tokyo?
No, your mum gave them to me.
I knew I'd lost my marbles. Hey, shall we have a feed, cuz?
I'll do our karakia, Buzz.
Shot, cuz.
Nau mai ngā hua e hora nei, e whakatupua nuku, whakatupua rangi, e hara mai no uta no tai e rongo whakairia ki hea kirunga kia tina.
Tina.
Haumi e hui e tai ki.
Let's eat. Diggin', cuz. In there. Leka.
Makarere.
Makariri. Ka kite anō.